Alright, let's look at what we have here. By giving 9 raised to the power of root x plus 9 raised to the power of root x equal to 162, we're asked to find the value of x. Now this is very simple. Here's the solution to this problem. We have 9 raised to the power of the square root of x plus 9 raised to the power of the square root of x equal to 162. Now this is how you are going to do this. If you observe, what is common here? What can you see very well? You can see 9 raised to the power of x, 9 raised to the power of x. That means 9 raised to the power of x is appearing 2 times on the left hand side. So that will give us 9 raised to the power of root x. I'll factor it out into 1 plus 1 equal to 162. Now 9 raised to the power of root x into 1 plus 1 is 2 equal to 162. Now divide both sides by 2. So 2 will cancel out, and then I'll be left with 9 raised to the power of the square root of x will be equal to 162 divided by 2 will give me 81. Now 9 raised to the power of the square root of x will be equal to 81 is the same thing as 9 raised to the power of 2 or 9 squared. So that will give me 9 squared, because 9 squared means 9 times 9, which is what? 81. Now since you observe I have the same base, so since the base are the same, I can do away with the base and work with the exponent or the powers. So the square root of x will be equal to 2 because the base are out. Now I'm not looking for the value of x, I'm looking for the value of x, not the value of the square root of x. So to have the value of x, I'll have to do what? Square both sides. Square both sides. So in order to square both sides, root x will be squared equal to 2 also will be squared. Now this square will cancel out the square root and x will be equal to 2 raised to the power of 2. Now x is equal to 2 raised to the power of 2, the same thing as 2 times 2, which implies that x will be equal to 2 times 2 is what? 4. So the value of x that will satisfy the whole of this equation is equal to 4. Now I'm going to prove to you how this value will satisfy this equation. So we are going to have a check of this. So to check this, we know the original equation is 9 raised to the power of the square root of x plus 9 raised to the power of the square root of x equal to 162. So we are going to check whether this value, when we put it inside x, or when we substitute this value in place of x, whether we are going to have the same thing. You get? So I will say since x equal to 4, this will now mean 9 raised to the power of the square root x is what? 4 plus 9 raised to the power of the square root of x is also what? 4 equal to 162. Now this will give us 9 raised to the power of the square root of 4 is 2 plus 9, the square root of 4 is 2 equal to 162. Now 9 squared means 9 times 9, which is what? 81. So 81 plus 81, 162. 81 plus 81 is 162 equal to 162. So from this you can see that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Therefore the actual value of x that will satisfy this equation is equal to what? 4. Now if you find this video interesting, do not hesitate, make sure you like this video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to follow up this channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.